This video I made here on my channel without showing my face, a simple how-to video just recording my screen, made me $173.96 per hour. If you head over to the YouTube studio and check out the video analytics, you can see the estimated revenue here, $159.73. We take that data over to ChatGPT and I tell it, let's calculate per hour wage based on the money earned from the YouTube Partner Program from one faceless video on my channel. What do you need from me to make the calculation? To calculate the per hour wage, we're going to need total earnings, total hours worked, and the publication period. Here I entered that information and I simply said total earnings, $159.73, total hours worked, 18 minutes and 22 seconds times 3. The times 3 is for the creation or the editing of the video. So 18 minutes and 22 seconds to record the video for the final length. So about 20 minutes times 3. But we'll go ahead and just say, because the video is 18 minutes and 22 seconds long, it took me 3 times or 3 times that amount to edit that simple video. The publication period, you can see here, October 8th, 2023 to May 18th, 2024. You can see the calculation. You can see here the result per hour, $173.96 per hour. Now this is inside my YouTube studio as well. You can see the RPM here. These are the amounts that I get paid after YouTube takes its cut. And you can see here the RPMs from all the other videos. Quite a few of these videos here on the channel are faceless. Honestly, the RPM is not about whether you show your face or not. It's about the niche, and this is in the make money online space. I have a very simple strategy called the TOP strategy. That stands for traffic, offer, and people. That is generating traffic by picking a topic here on YouTube, utilizing a very specific set of tools, tech, and a minimum amount of time to create consistent content in the form of helpful how-to videos, and then presenting an offer to people and adding people to an email list so we can build our own email list and then generate automate passive income and then profit and scale our business. It is a 3-pillar proven strategy with 9 simple steps here on the roadmap. I'm giving that here to you. And this video was simply to show you how much money can be made from creating simple how-to videos that are faceless, never showing your face when you have a simple proven strategy. If you'd like to know more about the simple proven strategy, link in the description. Also, if you found this video before May 20th, check out the link for a special working group where I'm going to be working with a small group of individuals to build faceless videos just like this, where you have the potential to earn up to $173.96 per hour with your own faceless YouTube channels on your own faceless YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.